Come on, how many of you believe that God is faithful? Do you believe that God is faithful? Come on, let me see you give him a shout. Say, thank you, Jesus, for your faithfulness. Come on, lift up your voice and join me. Say, faithful. 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 Faithful is our God. Lift up your voice and say, faithful. You are faithful. Yeah. You know the song, say, faithful. He is faithful. Faithful is our God. Oh, lift up your voice and say, faithful. He is so faithful. Faithful is our God. Let's say, I'm reaping the harvest God promised. Taking back what the devil stole from me, and I rejoice. I shall recover. Yes, I rejoice. I shall recover. Now this time around, sing it out loud. Say, Jesus, Jesus. Do you believe Jesus is your God? He is the one that died for you, that died as you, that died for you. Come on, lift up your voice and say, Jesus. Say, Jesus. He is Jesus, the resurrected Christ. Oh, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Jesus is our God. Say, I'm reaping the harvest God promised. Taking it back what the devil stole from me, and I rejoice. Yeah. How many of you believe that God is able this morning? Yes, I rejoice. Hey. Come on, let's take it up right now. Oh. Coming through for me, you are. Who are you? Who am I? Who am I to deny? I love this part so much. It says, see, can you imagine with all of the faith in the room what the Lord can do? What the Lord can do. See, it is gonna happen. Just let the way make it through. He's gonna move. He's gonna move. Say, can you imagine? Yeah. With all of the faith in the room right now, say it out loud. It is gonna happen. Just let the way make it through. Yeah. City be kind of bumbo car. Can you imagine? Yeah, yeah, yeah. What a Lord. It is gonna happen. Just let the way. Oh. Say everything is possible. Do you believe it? Say everything is possible. Say everything is possible. Who am I to deny what the Lord? Anything is possible. Anything is possible. Yeah. Say, who am I? One more time. Anything is possible. If you believe it, turn up your faith right now. Say everything is possible. Who am I? Stay there. Say, who am I to deny? Who are you to deny? Can you imagine with all of the faith in the room what the Lord can do? It is gonna happen. Just let the way maker through. It's gonna move. Say, can you imagine? Sing it out loud. Say, can you? Sing it out loud. If you believe it, say, it is gonna happen.
It's gonna happen.
Just let the way maker through.
Let the way make it through. It's gonna move.
It's gonna move.